EXXON has been on a nice bull run, guys. It's been headed up. It's very healthy company, and it just made it to the top where it had resistance before. Now this is tough to call, right? Because you're going to say, well, we're at the top, we're probably going to turn around. So I always tell my students, guys, whenever you need more information, switch to the next higher time frame and just keep moving on until you see what I'm about to show you. So I'm going to go over to the weekly, guys, and if you understand charts and you recognize patterns because you've been trading for a while, you'll see exactly what I see here, guys. Okay, and I'm going to draw it out, so we'll do a little charting exercise here. So this is a very, very healthy, in my opinion, cup and handle going on with EXXON. So now what's going to happen next? Okay, so when we get our cup and handle, guys, okay, one of the things that we want to look at is the implied move. So that's our implied move. Okay, if I take this and I move it over, okay, you see that EXXON still has a little bit more room to run. Okay, now if I was charting this earlier, let's say weeks ago, which I didn't, I kind of missed this one. I would have told you, hey, this is going to head to about 128. All right, so we'll set that up there. Okay, and we're gonna leave this here. Okay, but most of the time, guys, what I do is it's okay to take from the time you enter the stock. Okay, it's okay to say, you know what, 25%, I'm sorry, 75% of the way up, and that was the wrong measurement tool there, but 75%, meaning that it didn't get to 100%. So it's okay if you guys take profits here. Okay, now I do see, okay, and this is me, okay, this is where I would start setting a stop loss, or maybe buy one or two puts depending on the size of my shares. Okay, but we do see that we have some nice wicks developing there on the weekly. Okay, so not a big deal. Okay, it looks like it could still push up, guys, because look at this. Okay, we do have the actual close. Okay, you got 2 more days, Neil, 2 more days. If this thing closes higher than here, then I think you're going to be in a very good spot for it to go up some more. Now, again, it's okay to take profits now. Okay, my personal opinion, since we're in the same bull ring, we're in the private chat group. If you believe in it, I would take my actual profits now. And if I still believe it's going to grow, I'd probably go in with some calls, which would be less of a risk for me to take. Okay, and you can also, you know, if you're up, let's say for example, if I was up $500, I would try to match that with calls, or even half of that, so that I can still get a little bit more profits. But it's a decision that every trader makes on their own, guys. Okay, not telling you what to do, I'm just saying what I would do. But this is very bullish for me. Okay, there are some people that think it's going to go to the moon. Okay, I'm going to tell you why it's not going to go to the moon, guys. Okay, so I'll show you something. So I have my other indicators here, and if we take a look at the RSI, okay, we are at max density, right? So very, very overbought. Can it go up? Absolutely. And one of the things that I look at, if you want to look at this in the future, guys, is how high has the RSI gone, and are we there? So that means to me, see, it's done it twice, okay, 2 times. All right, it still has room to go up there, and I like to draw this out here, so I'll make it easier for you guys. Let's grab a little rectangle, and you'll see, okay, that this is the area where it did actually reject and come back down. So for me, okay, it still has room to run right in here, guys. And like I said, we have a cup and handle on the weekly. So this means give it a couple more days. I'm not telling I'm not telling you to sell or not sell, okay? But I'm saying look at the chart, 2 more days. I think you're gonna be surprised that it could still run up. So anyways, I hope this helps, and everybody else, guys, if you have any questions, drop it in the DM, drop tickers. I have a phone number there. You guys can text me what you want me to chart you. But until next day, guys, I'm wishing you a green day tomorrow.